Oh god, I'm just making it worse. Hello beautiful people, my name is Mary Ann. Welcome back to my lovely YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying out two different styles of eagle eyebrows, I guess. One being the upwards shaped short fox eye style brow, which is what I'm going to call it for the rest of this video. And the other is the short straight version, but with a slit in the middle. Today's video is going to take inspiration from the content creator Lou from Bright. You can see her Instagram right here. She has a variety of brows that are amazing, and I'm going to especially take a look at this picture and take inspiration from that. So enough with the talking, let's get started. So today I'll start with this NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade Espresso. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. Honestly, I don't think that looks too bad. I actually like that. Oh my god, it actually worked. Well, I don't want to jinx it, so we're going to see about brushing these little tiny leftover hairs into the brow in a moment. Just want to get the shape here. Right? Yeah, like cut off the edge here. Well, before I do anything else, I should probably move on to the bigger task at hand, which is getting the other brow just right. I want them to look like sisters and not like cousins. Okay, yeah, like I said, my eyebrows, they're like the most, asynchronous brows that one could ask for. So I'm having a hell of a time here. I feel like that might be a bit too angled. I think the angle is good, but like the tail is, what is that? Do they look the same? I can't really tell. I feel like the tail of the one brow is like really sharp and crisp, and the other one's like fading out. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that because I'm just gonna make it worse. I want you to go in there. No, I don't think they want to. No, they don't want to. I think I might be actually able to get them to stay, but I feel like I will just mess things up. Okay, I'd say this is the finished look. Yeah. Honestly, I thought I'd do worse, really, truly, because I'm so bad at doing any other eyebrow shape than my normal one. But I think this is actually okay. I'll let you be the judge of that, honestly. I think it really fits me well, and I can actually see me go out like this. Absolutely. So yeah, what do you think? How did I do? So I actually managed to take off my eyebrows without ruining the rest of my makeup, which I'm very grateful for. So that we can finally start with style number 2, which is the straight brow with a slit in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna be interested in how I managed to do that. So this is the picture that I'm going to be taking inspiration from. So why am I actually doing this? I love reinventing myself. Yes, I do. I know many people might be scared of that, but it's actually such a beautiful thing, and quarantine and everything else is just such a perfect time to experiment with makeup, do what you think you like, and find out if it suits you, if you like it. So it's really worth the effort, believe me. I can already see that this is going to be a disaster, by the way. Oh, I'm gonna put the slit in the middle. Maybe I'll carve it out later on. Oh god. So obviously I don't think this is working for me at all at the moment. I mean, it's fine. I'm not gonna die from bad eyebrows. It obviously looks super thick and super unnatural, but I think I might have gotten the shape just right. What is going on, seriously? What a roller coaster. Okay. Before I am happy, I need to finish the other eyebrow. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. Oh god, I'm just making it worse. I feel like that one's kind of okay, and I kind of really like it. And that one's like the complete disaster. And look at it. In general, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I just don't think it's the style of eyebrows that I'm used to and that I like. Yeah, I like that one. I'm just gonna sit with the brow to the camera like this. Okay, so obviously it's a pomade that works in my favor. So I can just use my fingernail to actually drag the product off my skin. Yeah, so it's fine. Yeah, that's completely okay. Let's see how the other one goes. Honestly, I'm not too disappointed. Obviously, I had hoped that I would do a better job at getting them even. Obviously, I didn't do that. Anyway, okay, so I actually had a massive amount of fun doing this, and that's what it's all about. And you can already tell that I, as a person, look so much different with the shape of my eyebrows when they differ. So yeah, I had a massive amount of fun doing this. I hope you did too, watching me. And if you found this video entertaining or helpful, then I would love it if you could support me by subscribing to my lovely YouTube channel. I will make more content like this in the future. Here's my Instagram, you can also follow me there. This is what my content looks like. And if you want to see more from me, you can check out my video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye!